Looking for a creative and personalized project? Let's make a resin bookmark. Body. You'll need resin, hardener, a silicone mold, mixing cups, stir sticks, gloves, safety glasses, and optional elements like dried flowers, glitter, or pigments. Clean and dry the silicone mold to ensure a smooth finish. Follow the instructions on the resin packaging to mix the resin and hardener in the correct proportions. Stir gently to avoid air bubbles. 4. Add color and elements. Pour the resin into the mold, then add your desired color or pigments. Incorporate any additional elements like flowers, glitter, or pressed leaves. 5. Pour the resin. Carefully pour the resin into the mold, avoiding air bubbles. If necessary, use a heat gun or torch to remove any trapped air. 6. Cure the resin. Place the mold in a level area and allow the resin to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. This process can take several hours or overnight. Outro. Once cured, carefully remove the bookmark from the mold. You've created a unique and personalized piece of art. Here's a more detailed voiceover script. Intro. Looking for a creative and personalized project? Let's make a resin bookmark. Body. 1. Incorporate any additional elements like flowers, glitter, or pressed leaves. 5. Pour the resin. Carefully pour the resin into the mold, avoiding air bubbles. 8. You're welcome. Thanks for watching my content. If you have any other questions or requests, feel free to ask.